You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly. In particular, from the point of view of fitness and all the different workouts and movements that you can do. Concentric, that's your top word here, and the pronunciation in English, concentric. Okay, now the bottom word, there's a bit of a debate on how it should be pronounced. The normal standard pronunciation is eccentric. Essentially, you pronounce both the first C as a K and the second one as an S. So it's like an eccentric. That's a word in English, which means generally refers to somebody who is a bit different, a bit different from the norm, eccentric. So that applies also in fitness. Normally that's the only recognized referenced pronunciation in dictionaries in English, eccentric. So it should apply to fitness. But many now, especially in the world of fitness, pronounce it as eccentric, just to say that it's not centered. Eccentric. So that exists now, but it's not really officially recognized in academic pronunciation. Concentric and eccentric. If you say eccentric even in fitness, it is correct. But it is also commonly said as eccentric, so it's up to you how you want to say it. But now, at least, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.